Hello everybody and welcome back to another Pokemon unboxing video. Today we have a very cool new product. It's our first glimpse of the new Sword and Shield starter Pokemon. We have two Sobble Galar Collection Pokemon boxes. So each of these boxes come with 4 packs. As you see there, you get every one of the 3 starting Pokemon as a promo holo card, and you also get a pin. These are Sobble boxes, so you get the Sobble pin there, and you get either a Zacian V or a Zamazenta V oversized card as well. Really cool. So we're gonna get right into those and see what we get. So first, let's take a closer look at some of these promos. Here's Grookey. Very cool. It looks like it's textured there, but it's actually not. Cool foil pattern though. We've got Sobble himself, or herself, not sure what that is, and Scorbunny, and the online code if you are interested in that sort of thing. Here's the oversized card, Zacian V. Take a look at this for a moment. 220 HP. Probably going to be a stage 2. It looks like we don't get all of the text on this. Cool. Still looks good. Alright, and here's the pin. It's tough to see that. There we go. Come into focus there. Cool little guy. Let's see the boosters it comes with. It comes with a Cosmic Eclipse, an XY Evolutions, a second Cosmic Eclipse, and an Unbroken Bonds. Not bad packs. So we've done a bunch of Cosmic Eclipse on this channel so far. So let's start with Unbroken Bonds. See how we do. Okay, we start out with a Dark Energy and a Larion. Martial Arts Dojo, pretty good card. Fairy Charm ability, these can be very annoying to play against. Ghastly. Carvana. Togepi. Esper with its Catterday ability. Squirtle. Speaking of starting water Pokemon, Tajikiss, Reverse, and a Weezing with Detention Gas. That's a pretty good card. Nice. So far so good for the first pack. I'll take a Weezing. Alright. XY Evolutions, I love the way these look. Oh, well, we're getting a Raichu, I know that much. So we've got Poliwhirl, Misty's Determination, Blastoise Spirit Link, Onita, Doduo, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, Coughing to go with that Weezing, and we already saw it, but a holo Raichu. Love that pattern. Look at those stars. That looks pretty cool. Alright, so 2 packs down so far. Let's see what we get for the third in the first Sobble box. So the idea is to do 2 boxes of Sobble, 2 boxes of Grookey, and 2 boxes of Scorbunny as well. So look for those upcoming videos. Should be within a week or so. Grass Energy, Prinplup. Also going to be doing a Elite Trainer box Cosmic Eclipse box as well. Cricketune, Sveal, Passimian, Rowlet, Lillipup, Scoroup, Flabébé, and a Volcarona GX. Oh my god, I dropped it. Rainbow Rare. That's awesome. So funny. Today I was just looking at this card. Somebody had posted what they'd pulled out of a box and they had gotten this, and I had said to myself, I was like, you know, I haven't gotten a Volcarona GX or Rainbow Rare, and I opened 3 boxes, and now lo and behold, first Cosmic Eclipse pack today is a Volcarona GX Rainbow Rare. It's the first Rainbow Rare that we got on this channel. Awesome. So far so great. Now, jeez. Alright, there's the code. Fire Energy. And Volcarona GX is one of those cards, when it was released, I really wanted to build something around it because it just seemed so cool. Reminded me of the, what was it? The Rowlet and Dartrix and, what's the stage 2 of the Rowlet line from Sun and Moon? It'll come to me. But there's a stage 2 GX that did something very similar. Was able to put damage counters on Pokemon from the bench. I don't know, just a cool idea. Different way to do damage, so I thought it'd be interesting. Awesome, so the first box, not bad. Zamazenta's got some catching up to do. So for this one, we'll just get right into the packs. Okay. So same deal here. We've got 2 Cosmic Eclipse, an Unbroken Bonds, and an XY Evolution. Got pretty good pulls out of the first one. Let's do it in the same order then. There's your code. Water Energy, appropriate. In a Sobble box, Dust Island. Pyukumuku, Fire Crystal, Crabrawler, Oddish, Squirtle, Tentacool, Aeron, Frogadier, and a Rhyperior. Non-holographic. Cool. Alright, now the XY Evolution pack. So here is the code. And let's see. We've got a Pikachu. Chubby Pikachu. Ponyta. Nidoran. Vulpix. Shadow Energy. A foil Metal Energy. That's cool. Nidorino. Pidgeot Spirit Link. Porygon. And a Charizard EX card. Wow. So far, so good. These boxes have been good to us. This card is wildly off center, but still Charizard, still cool. Absolutely fantastic. Amazing. Really, really good pulls so far for just 8 packs. 6 packs so far. Jeez, we're only 6 packs in. Alright. There's the second code. Sometimes you just get lucky. Psychic Energy. Misty and Lorelei. A North. Cricketune. Drillbur. Tangela, Eevee, Duskull, Timpoli, Teddiursa, and a foil Lycanroc. There we go. Boiling Blood. Cool. Fantastic. Alright, last pack. It's going to be a short video. Nothing like the others when we had booster boxes open. Okay, here we go. There's the final code. Not the final code, actually. I will also show the code for the Sobble Crookie and Score Bunny as well from the other box, just in case you might want that. Also, Water Energy, Herdier, Tangrowth, Prinplup, Stuffle, Pawniard, Litleo, Coughing, Nosepass, Heracross, and a Drag Algae. But you know what? I don't mind one bit because we got amazing pulls out of both boxes. First, the Full Art Volcarona, and then the Secret Rare Charizard right there. And the Rainbow Rare Volcarona. Fantastic. For 8 packs, that is not bad. Not bad at all. So, very cool. Here, as promised, I'm going to go ahead and show the other code card here. Tell you what, easier to just do that. So that was the Sobble boxes. I really liked them. I thought they're cool. They give us a glimpse of what's coming in Sword and Shield, so that's awesome. Please like and subscribe to this video if you'd like to see more, and always take care of yourselves. I'll see you next time.